Hello, this is Explore Hong Kong at the Fenwick Pier Fleet Arcade in Wan Chai now. That will be closed in the end of 2021. And for today, we come here to show you how the Fleet Arcade is like. Let's travel back in time and welcome to Hong Kong in the 90s. Say hello to Tony.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. This is how the Fleet Arcade is like in 1994 on the day of its opening. And you can see it is just facing the sea and sailors can simply get on board here. This is where the shoreline was. And over here, you'll be able to see the bridge that brings the sailors to get on board. One more thing I would like to show you, the approximate taxi fares from the Fenwick Pier to different places. So make a guess, what years is this? So if you would like to travel to Central, that will be around $30. And to the Repulse Bay, $95 only, and Chim Sha Tsui is $100. So the answer is 2011. So don't forget to go to the second floor for more shops.
This個就唔係custom make 係 garment，但係好多人買咗，點解咧？我哋60、70年代做 garment 嗰陣時咧，有個 shoulder pad，
係，
但係就係冇嘅，最主要係。
Another T-shirt that has a shoulder pad. So you can find so many treasures here. And guess who this is?
Yeah, it's Mom.
And is say hello to Tony.
Hello, everybody. Please visit us, support us.
Yeah, check out Fenwick Pier.
Yeah.
Second floor,
Yeah.
the tailor shop, and it's such an interesting place to visit.
Sherry.
1905. So that is 115 years old. The 28-year-old Fenwick Pier was once so busy and served sailors from all over the world. At its peak, they served 28 vessels with 35,000 sailors in a year, providing services like free local SIM card, shuttle bus, storage lockers, and laundry services. You can also find grocery shop, souvenir shops, and barber shops. This barber shop gives cuts to sailors since 80s, and even they give cuts to US Consul General in Hong Kong. 我要一個豬一個，跟住呢個靚嘅，呢一個都係50蚊係咪？OK 好。This is a very iconic spot for photos among Hong Kongers, having two sailors holding the signs of restroom, showing to you where the restroom is. This is where McDonald's once stood, the only McDonald's in Hong Kong that sells beers and also pizza. And don't forget to take photos with the rickshaw and Bruce Lee over here. You used to see plaque showing to you the naval ship that has arrived Hong Kong in the past, but because it's going to demolish soon, so the plaque has been removed. But you're still able to see these three signs: New York, San Diego, and Hong Kong, and this is probably where the sailors line up to get on board. Thank you. Check out the Italian restaurant on the first floor. Make sure you book in advance because it's quite full. We went there at 1 p.m. and only the outdoor seats are available. For the first hours of parking, that will be free of charge, and for the second hours onward, that will be $30 per hour. So this is a guide to Hong Kong, a very, very comprehensive one. The history of Hong Kong, the places you should go, the food in Hong Kong, and this is my favorite page. This tells you different Cantonese phrases. So, 唔該 is thank you. 廁所喺邊度啊 is where is the toilet. And then 得唔得 means is it okay. In 2018, there were still 8,000 sailors visiting the pier. It is a pity that it will be set to demolish soon at the end of this year and be replaced by the Kong Wan fire station. The pier will never be as busy as it was. It is a pity that another part of Hong Kong will be gone forever. Share this video, come here before it is gone. See it, feel it yourself. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye bye.